Hello, my name is Ishanda Shaheed, and today I will be doing a comparison and contrast versus a traditional company and a modern company. The companies that I'm going to discuss is Giant Eagles Corporation and Amazon. First, I'm going to discuss value discipline in regards to customer value. Both Giant Eagles and Amazon, they take pride in their ability to have high operational excellence. Giant Eagle, they are always focused on their customer by providing and delivering an excellent and convenient customer experience, whether it's expanding new businesses, providing valuable promotions, offering the freshest and best products available, or their competitive pricing. Now, in relations to Amazon, they like to laser focus on their customers. Their goal is to always keep the customer in mind. So any practice or any promotion that they create, it's always created based off what the customer would expect or what the customer would want, which I believe is very unique. In relations to primary customers and their segmented markets, Giant Eagles, they're specifically segmented based on geographical location. Their customers are primarily in Western Pennsylvania, Ohio, Northern Virginia, Maryland, and Indiana. Amazon, however, is more of a global market. Amazon's customers are segmented based on geographic location, demographics, behavioral, and psychographic. So whether their customers are segmented on region or degree of loyalty or social class, it's a broader range because it's pulling from a global market opposed to a private market, which Giant Eagle focuses on. When it comes to building relationships with new customers, one of the things that I believe that stands out for both companies is their different loyalty programs. They also both provide, different things that are unique in each of their markets. For instance, Giant Eagle, they take pride in being the most convenient retailer. They are a leader in providing the freshest products in the Pittsburgh areas as well as the other areas that I mentioned. And their goal is to always provide great customer service. Amazon, on the other hand, because it's an online platform, some of the things that they offer are free shipping or, like I mentioned, like their loyalty program. For members who are part of their Prime membership program, they can take advantage of getting products within the same day or 2 days' time. They are always providing time-limited sales to their customers, and it's beneficial because you're not just focused on buying it specifically from Amazon. Other sellers can sell their products on Amazon, which offers a free market. In relations to marketing through AI and big data, one of the things that Giant Eagle had piloted recently was self-scanning robots. The self-scanning robots, it allows Giant Eagles to gain insights on their customer behaviors and products. What it does is it goes up and down the aisles and it scans to see what products are missing. It sends a code to the back office, and the members of Giant Eagles, they'll go and they'll restock it, but they'll track it. So that'll let them know what products are more popular than others. In relation to artificial intelligence and big data in regards to Amazon, they use their data from their customer preferences and purchases and their browsing history. And what they do is they pull the data together and they begin to create a list of products that their customers might actually want. And if you're someone like myself, you oftentimes fall a victim to consumerism because you begin to think you need products that you've never even considered before. Some of the key events of digital transformation that I believe were huge for each company was Giant Eagle's Curbside Express, which is an option that allows their customers, specifically in the downtown Pittsburgh area where there aren't many grocery stores, to order groceries and have them delivered at their front door the same day. This was very beneficial to the Giant Eagles because in fiscal year 2018 alone, it increased their sales by 250%. Amazon, one of their biggest things and one of my favorite things about Amazon is their Prime Day. It's similar to a Black Friday event, but it's held in the summer. It was launched in 2015 as a way to commemorate Amazon's 20th anniversary. And what it is it's specifically for their loyalty customers, their Prime members. It's a day of sales, and And this year, they actually decided to make it 2 days. So opposed to 1 day, like it's been in the previous years, for 2 days, which are July 15th and 16th, it'll be a global shopping event, and it'll be amazing sales from things from technology to other products as well. When it comes to organizing for digital maturity, Amazon and Giant Eagle, they focus on organizing their culture to be beneficial so that they can get feedback from their teams. They cross-collaborate equally. Giant Eagle often pilot their digital programs throughout their teams internally prior to introducing it to the public so that they can get their feedback and allow their team members to speak on behalf of their opinions as if they were customers. One of the things that they recently piloted was what I mentioned earlier in regards to their curbside option. Amazon, they're always looking for the next best thing, whether it's something that was invented at Amazon or not. So they focus on their leaders and their team members working together to create new inventions and always finding ways to simplify them. In regards to the use of analytics to make decisions, Giant Eagle, they have a program. It's Giant Eagle Advantage Media. And what it does is it tracks and targets their customers' uses of their purchase and sale data, the information they use on their apps, as well as their websites. And it allows them to create coupons to target and personalize the messages and promotions specifically to their shoppers and their habits. Amazon does something differently, but Amazon has more of a bigger machine, I would like to say. And Amazon, they gather data while their customers are using the site. And they're tracking specifically what they're buying, what they're looking at. They take information based on their shipping area, and it allows them to create profiles for their customers. As I mentioned earlier, they generate different lists. So whether you're on Amazon's site or you're somewhere else, Amazon is always sending you little tips on things that you might like or things you should consider to draw you back in. Some of the takeaways. After researching both companies, I realized that they both are very focused on accessibility. They want their customers to be able to simply find things or have a convenient way of receiving their products. So whether it's through Giant Eagle's curbside grocery option or Amazon's one-click purchase option, which allows their customers to just purchase an item with one click without having to fill in their shipping and handling information if they already have a profile created on Amazon. While they offer many great things and they invest in their employees and they take pride in getting their feedback and always considering advancements in digital technology, one of the things that I feel is room for opportunity is that Giant Eagle can be more involved in their community. I can speak from my experience working in nonprofits. I've personally approached Giant Eagles many times to collaborate, but there's no simple format. It's almost like they send you to different offices and it's always a run around, and it ultimately ends up with them just giving you a gift card, but no real interaction with the community. I feel like they can benefit way more if they stepped outside of Giant Eagles. In relation to Amazon, I feel like Amazon offers a free market. However, members who sell on Amazon, they have fewer opportunities to build relationships with their customers, especially if they're not a part of Prime. As I mentioned, with Prime, it allows customers to get shipping in 2 days. So if you're a business that sells on Amazon, but you're not a part of Prime where you're offering 2-day shipping to customers, it's already giving you a disadvantage and it's not allowing you to build relationships. So I think that that's an opportunity for them to consider as well, finding ways that their sellers can, can be at the forefront if they're not involved in every aspect and promotion that Amazon is doing. Well, my name is Ishanta Shahid, and those are my takeaways. And this is my Screencast-o-Matic presentation.